glad you found these. Because he's very, very excited.
He's like, whoa!
There's a thing up there. What is Nicolas doing? Is he just...
He's sniffing the rope.
Oh, okay.
He loves the way it smells.
No, he's trying to eat it, just like he chewed through the twine on the other one.
Nick. Nick.
It's like, wait, there's a thing over my head.
Nick.
Oh, right onto the couch. Yeah, I see how this one's really gonna work, is that this is a couch toy.
Inside the couch bag.
Yes, Vernon? It's like, I see that you are filming us, and I have chosen to go elsewhere.
Nick.
Nick, did you just hit your head and then discover that, oh my gosh, there's a thing?
Monkey boy.
It's like, don't you understand? It's the first thing the Mustafas have not taken from me in a while.
You don't know.
Okay, that was just weird. His vision is so messed up.
You like it, boo-boo? Boo-boo kitty? You like it?
I think I'm gonna scratch myself now. I'm very content.
Boo-boo kitty. Boo-boo. Nick. Is that for Nick? Yes.
It snuck up on me! Whoa!
He's hanging.
That's awesome, Nick. That's truly stellar. Uh-oh, the Mustafa found it. Uh-oh, he's gonna take it.
Good boy. Oh, he's fighting back. It's like, no, mine. Good.
I'm gonna clean my paw now and then hit you later.
You like it, Nick? You like it? Is that for Nick and Serena?
He seems very confused about it, really.
Ooh, yes, we like.
Oh, Nicholas, please don't learn how to turn the lights on and off from over there. Oh, no. No. Leaping to the top of the curtains, bad path.
No, oh, yeah, he's happy.
You have no idea how big he is until you see him try to wrap himself around a pole and chew his way through it. He's fighting! He's like, I win!
He's very happy.
Oh no. He leaves. He just discovered the value of the perch. He can watch the birds and leaves, go straight to the couch, and then leap into the glass and kill himself. Meanwhile, the Mustafa's like, look, I can climb too. No way the Mustafa's going to be the first one to the crow's nest, I think. Nicholas got distracted by the birds. Oh, no, Mustafa distracted by the birds too. She's already cleaning herself.